Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line 2-litre TDI 240 PS DSG. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, automatic LED headlights, tinted rear windows, and an electric panoramic sunroof with sunblind. It also comes with 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with space for a spare wheel. The interior includes heated front seats, wireless app connect, and 3-zone climate control. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbury.